This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing what you need: the Pi-powered, a terminal session, and the Wi-Fi SSID plus password. Once terminal is open, check your interface name with IP link show. Make sure WLAN 0 or WLAN 1 appears. If not, attach a supported USB Wi-Fi adapter. Next, bring the interface up with sudo IP link set WLAN 0 up so the device is ready. These first steps ensure you aren't blocked by hardware or naming issues before editing configuration files. Now you'll edit the system Wi-Fi config to tell the Pi how to join the network. Open sudo nano /etc/WPA supplicant/WPA supplicant. Conf and add a network block. Network equals SSID equals your SSID, PSK equals your password. If you use enterprise Wi-Fi, include key MGMT and identity fields. Once saved, set secure permissions with sudo chmod 600 to protect credentials. Make sure there are no stray quotes or extra characters. Finish by applying changes and verifying the connection. Restart networking with sudo systemctl, restart DHCPCD, or simply reboot. Once restarted, check IP at or show WLAN 0 for an assigned IP, and use sudo journoctl udhcpcd n50 to view recent logs. Look for authentication or DHCP errors. If it fails, make sure the SSID and PSK are exact. The Wi-Fi driver supports your adapter, and the country equals code in WPA supplicant. Conf matches regulations. That one check often resolves mysterious failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.